What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about selling on Amazon? Well, in today's video, I'm going to talk about Amazon FBA for beginners. Now, if that sounds appealing to you, stick around because you don't want to miss this.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you Amazon FBA for beginners and show you 4 easy steps to selling on Amazon. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, sometime this month, I'm going to give away some free money. So please hit that like button for me. It really helps out my channel and helps out my video to be more searchable on YouTube. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Also drop a creative comment because sometimes I give shout outs to people when I see a very creative comment in the comment sections. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. All right, let me go ahead and get into this right now because I have 4 steps that I need to show you, and I'm gonna go kind of fast, so please stay with me, pay attention very closely, and please watch this all the way to the very end because all these steps are important. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you Amazon FBA for beginners. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. Okay. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Amazon Services and you're going to apply here. And once you apply here, you're going to pick Amazon Fulfillment. So let's go here where it says Solutions. We're going to click on Fulfillment by Amazon. So right here you're signed. And once you sign up, what you're going to do, here's a video right here. It'll tell you everything about Amazon Fulfillment. So that's what the FBA means, Fulfillment by Amazon. And what that means is that they're going to be able to store your products in their warehouse. So when people when people buy your product, it'll already be in the warehouse and they will get it in a couple of days. Because if they are a Prime member, you have to be a Prime member to get the packages in a couple of days. So they have over 100 million Prime members on Amazon. So it's 100 people have signed up to get their packages real quick. So once you have your product in the warehouse of Amazon, when somebody buy your product, they'll be able to ship it over there real quick. So now let me go to, like I said, I'm going to go kind of fast through here. I'm going to go ahead and go through the next step. This is step 1. I'm going to go to the next step of selling on Amazon. Okay, I'm on Amazon. And so the next step, you need to find a product that's high demand and low competition. So on here, and what you're going to do to find out as far as what is in demand, you're going to go to this other website. Let me go ahead and go to the website right quick. Okay, I'm at the next website, and it's called Selix. So this website here will show you the best product you can pick. So you want to sign up here, and as you can see, it says find the most profitable products with just a few clicks. So when you come here, you'll be able to find the right product. Now, you can do it on your own. You can't do it on your own, but it's going to be kind of hard to find products, the best-selling products that's at high demand and has low competition. So this is a good way to find the best products. All right, let me go ahead and go to step 3. All right, I'm at this website called Alibaba. So step 3, you're going to find a supplier, and Alibaba.com is going to be your supplier. Now, Alibaba, they're something like Amazon, but they sell stuff wholesale in bulk. So they sell a lot of products in bulk that you can get real cheap. So let's say you found your product and you're ready to get it. So you come here to buy the product, but you have to get it in bulk, and you probably want to get 50 pieces. So like this iPhone right here, they have it for $10, but you got to get 50 pieces of them to pay $10. But if you want to get one piece at a time just to test out the product, I suggest you do that. So let's just click on here right quick. So it's going to take you here, and you're going to look for the company name. So as the company, and you're going to go to their profile, and you're just going to check and see how long they've been in business. This one been in business since 2000, got 200 employees. Their revenue is 100 million, and they're based in Hong Kong. And this is where this site is originally based, in China. So before you get the product, you want to check out the company, see if they're a reputable company. You might want to send them a chat. You want to chat with them, ask them a few questions about the product and everything. And also you can talk to them on Skype if you want to learn a little bit more about the company and about the product. All right, so that concludes step 3. Let me go ahead and go to step 4. Okay, I'm back on Google, and for step 4, you're going to send your product to Amazon warehouse. And the way you're going to do that, you have to pick a freight company. So here's one right here, China Freight Forwarding Agents. So, and they ship to Amazon FBA. So let's click on that one. So as it says here, shipping from China to USA. So you want to probably check this one out before you go ahead and start using it, read up about it and everything. But also before you ship it out, you're going to have some codes that need to go on your products. So once you talk to the people at that company where you get your product from, make sure they have some codes. They'll know what you're talking about. Codes is going to be like little stickers that need to go on the product. Like I said, I did it before. I sold some products and I had to have some stickers. I did it myself. This is before I found out about using a freight company. So that's step 4. And that's all the steps you need to do to start as a beginner. Now, there's a lot more into it that you have to do to be successful in Amazon FBA business. And there's a lot of videos on that and everything. Maybe I might go in depth on how to be a successful, be able to sell your product on your Amazon FBA. But that's all the steps. So now you know the 4 steps you need to take to start selling on Amazon. So go ahead and follow those steps, get that product, sell it on Amazon, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you go, please hit that like button for me. It really helps out my channel and helps out my video and help me get to 100 likes. Also, drop a comment down below if you have any question about what I talked about today. And please leave a creative comment because I might give a shout out to you if I like your comment. And please share this on the internet everywhere because I really want to help everybody I can to start making money online and become their own boss and be financially free. Also, I'm trying to get to 2,500. So if you guys can share this video and help me get more views and more subscribers. Once I get to 2,500 subscribers, 2 people is going to get some free money. And it's going to be this month because I believe that we can make it to 2,500 subscribers this month. This is not my channel. This is you guys' channel. So when I grow, you grow, and I'm going to give away some free money and giveaways as I keep growing to you guys just for watching my videos and help me grow. All right. That's all I have for this video. Again, Grind family, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for sharing this video. And one more thing before I leave, get your grind on because the grind is real. Now go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.